Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Stefan, and in this video I'm showing you how to play Fresh Air by Eales in the ABRSM Grade 1 Piano Book B1 2023-2024 syllabus. So this piece is actually quite tricky. I think it's one of the harder ones in the Grade 1 book. Not because of the notes as much, but of the articulation. Now, if we look at this piece, it's a very calm, nice, gentle piece, and the left hand, as we can see, is mostly sustaining chords or harmonic intervals. It's just two notes. So we've got these double notes sustaining. So let's start with this left hand because it's easier. The key thing when you play these double notes is to make sure that they go down perfectly together, so not like this. Concentrate, get the two notes down together, curved shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we are holding down the F sharp and we have a second voice on the top. Back to C G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tie 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we had a double voicing here, and then the left hand takes a little bit of the melody. Then G goes down with the pedal, holding it, C, and tied all the way to the end. So very simple left hand, and as you can hear, the melody is in the right hand, which means the left hand has to be quieter than the right hand. The piece is in 4/4, so we count 4 beats, and there's no key signature, so it's in the key of C major, no sharps and no flats. Now let's see this right hand. So the melody is the top line, as you can see, crotchets, quavers, but we also have a bottom note in the right hand, which is a semi-breve or whole note, and we have to hold this note all the way through the bar. And that's what's going to make this particularly difficult. Now, as you can see, the right hand has a lot of slurs, so these slurs connect the phrase, and between the slurs we have to lift up our hands, but inside the slur, all the notes have to be connected and played smoothly. So we start in the E, B position, holding down the E all the way through. Ta, ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, lift. So the difficulty is that we're holding down the strong finger and we have to play the legato notes with the weak fingers. So we really have to concentrate on keeping that smooth. Lift. Connect. Connect. Lift. And tenuto, a little bit louder, the straight line there. Then the second phrase is almost the same, but we have a double note here, a chord, harmonic interval again, sorry, not chord, and then carrying on. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, and holding down the D and moving down to the G. Then the right hand takes on the chords for the left hand, or the accompaniment notes, the semi-breves, and holding down the B and E in the end, and with the little finger playing that G in the end. And that's about the right hand. When you play it together, as I said, make sure that the right hand is a bit louder. And you lift up between the phrases. Dynamics wise, we start quiet, we get louder throughout the second phrase, and then back to quiet for the repetition. In the very end, when we have the big chords, we go really loud. And back to quiet. And finishing really light and a little bit of accent on the G on the top because it has a tenuto mark. So that's about Fresh Air. Hopefully this gave you a little bit of guidance on how to practice it. It's a beautiful piece, a little bit unusual, very modern sounding. I couldn't show the whole sheet music because it's still in copyright, so you have to follow the book. If you have any questions about this piece, leave your questions in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, subscribe for more.